How to fund your exchange to deposit into TegasFX and start earning in the Forex market. TegasFX is a trusted Forex broker where you can trade or earn through their partner program. After updating your payment details on TegasFX, you need to fund your exchange account before making a deposit. In this tutorial, we will use Binance as an example. Just follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open your Binance account. Step 2. Go to Assets. Step 3. Click Add Funds. Step 4. Select Buy with USD via card. Step 5. Make sure you are on Buy. Step 6. Select USD. Step 7. Enter the amount you want to buy. Step 8. Add a little extra to cover fees. Step 9. If you are a new user, add your card information. Step 10. Click Pay with Visa card. Step 11. Your USDT will be processed and will appear in your wallet. Important note: trading in the Forex market involves risk. Always invest responsibly and only deposit what you can afford to lose. For more tutorials and opportunities, follow Wealth Builder Global Community.